Hello again, thanks for joining me. It's Mr. Zayani here, and today I'll be making, I forgot now. Okay, cut. So how can I forget what I'm making? Anyway, so I'm making tapioca kheer, which is like a version of Indian rice pudding, but obviously instead of using rice, you'll be using tapioca seeds. So obviously we need our tapioca, which I've soaked for about a couple of hours and drained it. This is how it looks. Bay leaf, cinnamon stick, and this precious here is saffron, and this lump here is molasses, which is pure sugar, cane sugar. So it's mostly, as South Indians, we got really bad case of diabetes, so I thought, well, instead of using normal sugar, we'll be using this, or I'll be using this. Also the flavor of this sugar is also really different as well. So this here is, let me show you, these are cardamon seeds and some milk. Obviously I won't be using the whole lot, probably about half a liter. So we start off with a little bit of water in a nice deep pan. We add our tapioca seeds to it. I'm cooking the tapioca seeds for about what, 4 minutes, and it's gone all clear. It looks like little pearls. Adding my cinnamon stick, my bay leaves, and the cardamom seeds. Cardamom smell is absolutely phenomenal in this, and I'm adding the milk to it. So that's my molasses block. I cut into smaller pieces so it dissolves quicker. So putting that in. And let it slowly melt and cook. So give a little stir now and then. So it's now been cooking for about roughly 5 to 7 minutes. The touch of saffron. And put the lid on. Nice. The smell, the color. Oh, the smell of saffron just, lovely. Look, this is how it looks. Now, people see this and might think, oh, what's that? And the color is like this purely because, obviously not so much the saffron. Saffron will leave a little yellowish color, but what I use, the sugar cane, and that's brown. So it's just for health version. Otherwise, of course, many people will use just normal sugar, which is fine. Yeah. Well, since I poured it in the bowl, I just wanted to dive in, but obviously I couldn't because of sugar in there. I'll probably burn myself to death. So I had to wait a few minutes, but I've waited long enough, I think. So here we go. Oh, look at that. It's still too hot. Actually, I know, I can tell it's still too hot because sugar takes ages to cool down. So it's alright. It's not too bad, I don't think. Wow. Well, if you like rice pudding, guys, you gotta give this a go. So simple, unbelievably simple. Look, you don't have to use sugar cane, you can use normal sugar. All the other ingredients apart from saffron, most people have it at home. And believe me when I say it, this is absolutely phenomenal. And I'm using this word phenomenal. I've been told I use it far too often, but this really is phenomenal. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you like my videos, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and better still, that little red button, that's the subscribe. Please hit that one, and so that I can send you little notifications If you want to, that is when my next video is out. But until then, thanks for watching and see you again soon. Bye for now. And I'm gonna go back right into this. It's gonna last long. So camera crew, better hurry up. Oh, camera crew, one person. Bye for now. Thanks. Bye bye.
I need a spoon.
Oh. Yeah.
You should like
A little spoon for you.